What's going on, guys? And yes, I was inactive for a while. I've been posting Star Wars clips. I'm done posting those. I didn't really have an idea of what to post, so I was like, alright, I have to get something out just so you guys get some new content out. But I'm back. I'm making new content, and today, I'm going to be giving you an update on all my animals in the house. 'Cause I don't really think I showed the frogs too much. Or, yeah, you guys haven't all seen Delta in a while. So, yeah, this will be an update on all my dogs, all my fish, all that, all the reptiles. And, yeah, so let's give you an update. Alright, Delta. Sure he's this cage of salad, but here's the big lizard. Right, Delta? Yeah, but he is doing really well. He actually has to eat, so let's get him fed. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some crickets for the big boy. Alright, so let's see. We probably need to go get some new crickets because we're almost out. Big cricket. Like all these crickets, I got them pretty little and now they're getting so big. Alright. First cricket. Here you go, buddy. Alright. Next cricket. Here, buddy. Ew. You're gonna eat the wings and all that? But okay. Okay, let's grab that cricket leg. See, Delta, we don't have much left. We need to get some new crickets. Yeah, we do not have much left, guys. Let me see. Got one. Here, buddy. Here's one. Here, buddy. Come here. You want it? Dude, you're making such a mess. And I like to feed him like this to make sure he eats. Because some days he's really lazy and he won't chase them. So I like to make sure he gets his daily crickets. Got it. Ooh, dusty. Alright. Alright, Daltz, this is a big cricket. Here, Daltz, come here. Come on. Get to the camera. Oh my god. So, you keep making messes with the legs. Okay, we're gonna give you one more, buddy. Alright? One more. Alright, I got it. Right there. Buddy, want it? Come on. What are you doing? Come here. Want the head? Okay, no legs. Alright. So yeah, Delta is doing really well. He's in a shed right now. Hey man, you don't want to know. Oh, here, come here. Come on out. Come here. I got you. Delta, come here. I mean, look at all that. That's all shed. This lizard sheds like crazy. Echo, on the other hand, doesn't shed as much, but this thing sheds a heck of a lot. Right? Yeah. But he's a good boy. He's been doing really well with eating. The one reason I was inactive is because I was in Iowa. Let's grab my tripod. Ugh. Alright, Dalton, come on, let's go. So, yeah, I was in Iowa for the weekend, so I also couldn't post. So, yeah, that was pretty hard. And he's doing really good. He likes to mess with this paper towel. And I put paper towel down because it stains his carpet, but, well, because if I didn't, it would stain his carpet. Paper towel, can you just pick it up with new paper towel when he poos? Yeah, he's doing really well. Now to the leopard gecko. The leopard gecko, oh gosh, he pooed. Alright, actually, while we're at it, let's change, or let's clean off her lid. Oh, yuck. Alright. And she needs some new water, so we gotta get that taken care of. Alright, got it. So she pooped in her water. That is pretty nasty. I mean, yuck. Alright, so I gotta go change this out. And then we're gonna wash this out just a little bit because there was poop in it. You wanna give your, alright. And then you feel a little bowl like this. Light water. You know. Alright. So yeah, she has been not eating really because she was in a shed, but as you guys can see, she's doing really well. Yeah. This little Echo. But yeah, she's doing just fine. So she gets crickets sometimes every week, depending if she eats or not. But normally she would get crickets like every other day. But yeah, let's go check out the frogs. Alright, so here are our little African dwarf frogs. You guys haven't seen video on them in a while. But they're doing really well. We got a gold snail right there, which it's sucking on the hue. Look at it. It's pretty cool. And there is one other snail. Here, let's see. Because the frogs like to hide behind the filter for some reason. Oh. And you guys can see there's a little overview. And there is the other snail. Yeah. But yeah. There's 4 of these little guys in there. And yeah. So right next to the frogs, we got little Blue, and he is not doing too good. He's getting sick. He's older. So if he shakes it a little bit, he'll start moving a little bit, but he's getting sick. As you guys see, his fins are a little beat up. Yeah, but he's doing just fine. He's been eating pretty well. But yeah, now let's go down to the dogs. So we go to the couch. Here's Rizzo. Hey Riz, what's up, bud? Yeah, he is lazy. He's gained some weight, but he's a good boy. And if you guys haven't seen the video we got him, that was posted, what, like 3 years ago? Rizzo is a black lab mixed with Rottweiler. So you guys could see his paws. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but he's like a light brown, which has a Rottweiler. But he has the body of a lab, which I think is really neat. But he's doing really well. Right, Riz? You just lazy? Look at him wagging his tail. Right, Riz? You lazy? Who's a lazy bud? Yeah, you're lazy. He's 5 now. He's gonna be 6 soon. But he's a good boy. Yeah. Alright. Let's take you to Sadie. Alright, guys. Here's little Sadie. loves belly rubs. She is now 8. She is a German Shepherd mixed a Border Collie. Which, yeah, she's a good girl. Very lazy too. Not as, she likes to run around in the yard. And as you guys can see, losing hair, she's getting turned gray. She's getting older, but she's still doing really well. Right, Sadie? Yeah, you're a really good girl. Yeah, so that was Sadie. She's doing really well. And now onto Oreo. So go downstairs and into the kitchen. Here's Oreo. He got a haircut. Right, Oreo? You doing good, right? Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, so here, Oreo. No, here. Come here. Come here. So you guys can see he has cataracts now. He's technically blind. You can't really see, but he's still doing really good. He acts like a puppy. Right, Oreo? You want to go get your toy? Oh. They all like to sleep all day. Yeah, you're a good boy. Who's a good boy? Oh, yes you are. Yes you are. You a good boy? Look at him wagging his tail. You're such a good boy. Alright, I'll show you guys the iridescent shark. And as we walk down here, our shark. Iridescent shark is doing really good. Still way too big for that tank, but he's lived in it for almost 20 years, so why not let him keep living in it? But he's doing just fine. He eats once a day. And here, I'm gonna go show you guys where we keep this thing's food. So if we go into this room, go in our mini fridge, and up here we have, so these are, okay, so the bloodworms are for our frogs. These are the frozen bloodworms. And these are what we feed our shark. Brine shrimp. You give him 1 cube a day, and he's good. He'll just eat the cube in one bite, and he's good for the whole day. So I'm doing really well. And yeah. Alrighty guys, so basically wraps up the video. Alrighty guys, so that ends this video and all the animals. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And it is summer now. And yeah, and I just want to tell you guys I graduated middle school. I'm off to high school. So that'll be really fun. And I'll hopefully give you guys updates on high school. But it's summer now, so, and we're going to be going on to Disney in July. So stay tuned for that. You guys will be seeing daily videos for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.